I'm Nilanjana and welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing just great. Because of the COVID-19 situation, we generally avoid to get food from outside for the safety of our loved ones. At the same time, we get bored eating the same ghar ka khana, right? So today I'm going to share a very simple yet delicious Italian recipe which is easy to make and very tasty at the same time. So welcome to my kitchen and let's see how to prepare this yummylicious dish. Hi friends, today I'm making spaghetti which is one of my most favorite dishes. To prepare a spaghetti, we would require the following ingredients: oregano, chili flakes, some garlic, pasta sauce, olive oil, prawn pickle, salt to taste, and cheese. So let's begin. First thing that goes in is some salt in the water. Now we need to add some salt which will be absorbed in the spaghetti. Next, we need to add a little bit of olive oil. We need to add some oil so that it keeps the spaghettis separated from each other. It doesn't get stuck to one another. Next thing that needs to go in is the spaghetti. Yes. One thing which needs to be remembered is it should not be broken into two halves. So, the spaghetti goes in just like that. As you can see, half of it is inside and the other half is outside. And the moment it starts cooking at the bottom, we'll slowly slide all the spaghetti inside the vessel. Now we see it can easily get inside the water, so just push it a little so that all of them goes in the water without breaking. We'll blanch it for about say 8 to 9 minutes, making sure it's a little undone. Now as the spaghetti is done, I will strain this and will pour some room temperature water. Pouring some room temperature water is very important because it doesn't stick to one another. After this, I'm taking a pan and will pour some olive oil. To that, I will add 1.5 teaspoon of garlic, little bit of salt to taste, 1.5 teaspoon of oregano, chili flakes, depending upon how spicy you would want your dish to be. Here I'm using a ready-made pasta sauce. I've taken 3 teaspoons of it. Now, just mix all the ingredients well for about a minute or two, but be very careful not to burn the garlic. Once all the ingredients are mixed and cooked properly, I will add the spaghetti and stir all of them nicely for about a minute or so that the flavors are equally distributed. Here's a little twist which I'm giving to the dish. For the non-vegetarians, you all can add this amazing tasty tangy prawn pickle, or you all can even add some slices of sausages or bacon. Next, I'm adding some cheese. Preferably one should add mozzarella cheese. However, since I did not have it at home, I'm using a regular cheese slice. Just cook it for a minute and a half and the dish is ready. For garnishing, sprinkle some oregano and cheese on top. Serve it with bread and our dish, spaghetti Italian dish, is ready to eat. So friends, I hope you all have enjoyed watching my video. If you all have liked my video, please do not forget to give a like, share and subscribe to my channel, which would mean a lot. Till then, stay happy, stay safe and keep smiling. Bye bye.